AllPro Contracting is a family-owned and operated business that has served the Chicago area for over 20 years and has earned a first-rate reputation for quality service. As a full-service asphalt paving contractor, we install and repair all kinds of asphalt services, including driveways, roadwork, grading, parking lots, and sports courts. AllPro Contracting's hot rubber crack filling and seal coating services will keep your asphalt surface looking good. We are fully licensed and insured, a member of the Better Business Bureau, and the owner is on-site for every job. Give your driveway an upgrade by calling us today. Whether it is new construction or resurfacing, AllPro Contracting has your commercial and residential asphalt paving needs covered. Call us today for a free quote at 708-658-3500.